welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a lipstick lover like me, you know that finding a shade that's both hydrating and bold can feel like searching for a unicorn. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Jane Iredale ColorLuxe Hydrating Cream Lipstick in Desert Rose, a creamy, highly pigmented stick that promises weightless moisture with a satin finish, and it's completely vegan. From the first glance, the packaging feels sleek and premium. The stick glides smoothly over the lips, delivering a rich, even color with minimal effort. What sets this formula apart is its hydrating properties. It contains ingredients designed to nourish the lips, keeping them soft without feeling heavy or sticky. The satin finish gives a polished look that's not overly glossy, but has just enough sheen to feel luxurious. In my daily routine, this lipstick was easy to wear both at home and out. I tested it during a full day of errands and even a quick coffee run, and it maintained color vibrancy without drying. One thing I noticed is that while it's very pigmented, lighter shades like Desert Rose can require a couple of swipes for full opacity. But once built up, the color payoff is stunning. On the positive side, the lipstick's texture is creamy yet lightweight, and the satin finish enhances natural lip shape beautifully. It's vegan, which is a huge plus for ethical beauty fans, and the scent is subtle enough not to interfere with the experience. The only minor con is that very oily foods can slightly reduce its wear, so a quick touch-up after lunch is sometimes needed. Considering the price point, this lipstick feels justified. The formula is high quality, long-lasting for a hydrating lipstick, and the pigmentation rivals more expensive luxury brands. Compared to similar hydrating lipsticks on the market, ColorLuxe delivers a balance of bold color and moisture that few achieve. The build quality of the lipstick is solid. The twist mechanism works flawlessly, and the stick itself doesn't crumble or break easily. Overall, it feels durable enough to last in your makeup bag without mishaps. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other hydrating lipsticks at a lower price point, but few match the combination of pigment, hydration, and ethical formulation that Jane Iredale offers. So, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Jane Iredale ColorLuxe in Desert Rose is a luxurious, hydrating, and highly pigmented lipstick that I'd recommend for anyone seeking a balance between moisture and bold payoff. It's especially perfect for those who want a satin finish that's sophisticated and wearable every day. If you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.